Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in. Before we get started, I just want to take a little minute and talk about our free Facebook group called Credit Score Hackers, where you can get answers to your credit questions from experts in the field, as well as people in a similar situation. So, thank you guys so much once again for tuning on in, and I hope to see you on the inside.
Okay, so you ever been there, you're sitting in the kitchen, eating your Hot Pocket and whatnot, and then you start asking yourself like, hey, how do I find my credit score? Or how do I learn more about credit? So you go online, you go to Google, you type it up, and then you find yourself like with just loads of information. And you're sitting there like, ooh, that's a lot. Now don't worry, because we've done all the hard work for you. So here are some trusty websites that'll hopefully help you learn more about credit. Now, please, if you could, smash that like button and let us know that we're doing an awesome job for you. Make sure to subscribe, hit the link so you can keep up with more of our content. My name is Adam. I'm with the Credit Agents, and let's get started. Number 1. Our first stop of the day is myfico.com. Myfico.com is the official consumer website for FICO.com. I know, surprise, surprise. FICO has been around for over 25 years. They are the industry standard when it comes to credit. Now, MyFICO has a couple of options to view your credit, starting with the very basic, which is $19.95 a month. With the basic plan, you get FICO score with Experian, monthly updates, credit reports, etc. The next plan available is the advanced plan, which comes in at $29.95 a month. With the advanced plan, you get FICO score from all 3 bureaus, updates every 3 months, credit reports, and identity theft monitoring. And the last option is the Premier, which comes in at $39.95 a month. This option also comes with FICO scores from all 3 bureaus, updates every month, credit monitoring, identity theft monitoring, etc.
How do you like them apples?
I also want to stress that checking your score with FICO does no damage at all to your credit score. Aside from just having a great credit monitoring service, MyFICO also has a great education section, which allows you to read articles so that way you're always up with the latest credit trends. Brief education videos such as what is a FICO score, how lenders use FICO scores, managing your FICO score, etc. There's also popular forums and threads that have over 750,000 members using the forums to ask questions or give great credit tips. They also have financial calculators to help you with budgeting, home equity, college planning, car buying, etc. MyFICO also has a section on knowing your rights and protecting your identity, so make sure to check them out. Number 2. Our next stop is Credit Sesame. Credit Sesame makes it their mission for everyone to reach their financial goals. If you're new to credit or just need some clarification, Credit Sesame is a great source to find out information on credit and debt, identity theft, mortgages, savings, and current trends in the credit industry. Also, if you're looking to add on to your credit mix, or maybe you're looking for a great starter credit card, make sure to check out their credit card sections. They make it easy for consumers to pick the right card by letting them select their credit card based on their credit level or needs. Credit Sesame also helps you compare auto and home insurance rates, auto loans, and mortgage financing rates. Each section will also include related articles that could give consumers more insights, so that way they're making the most informed decision. With Credit Sesame, you'll receive feedback on how your credit habits affect the most influential factors that make up your credit report. You'll also get a personalized tips on how to manage your credit and loans based on your goals. And lastly, you'll be made aware if you're overpaying on credit cards or loans and what's the best way to save money. Credit Sesame is a great website to go if you're trying to learn more about credit and you're trying to save money. So make sure to check it out. Number 3. Our third stop for the day is Credit Karma, where credit meets confidence. Credit Karma is a platform that analyzes your credit profile to give you personalized offers. One of the great things about using them as a service is that you can already see your approval odds for certain products, so that way you can avoid damaging your score. You'll also be able to find credit reports for all stages of life, like credit cards, loans, savings, auto loans, home loans, etc. They're also believers that financial progress starts with credit health, which is why they offer credit insights, monitoring, and better offers. The reports that consumers get to review are from TransUnion and Equifax, and they are updated weekly. In addition to your credit scores and reports, Credit Karma also offers free credit monitoring If there are any important changes on your report, you'll receive alerts, and this could really come in handy when dealing with or preventing identity theft. They also offer a variety of calculators as well as articles addressing important topics in the credit industry to help consumers better understand. Other tools include credit score simulators, debt repayment calculators, simple loan calculators, and the list goes on. Thousands of members review credit cards, loans, and more so that way other consumers can make better informed decisions. Credit Karma is another great website, and make sure to take advantage of all the free resources there. Number 4. Our fourth stop today is Investopedia. Investopedia's mission has been, and it is still to this day of this recording, is simplifying financial decisions and information to give consumers the confidence to manage every aspect of their life. They have resources for consumers of all aspects of life. While you may have some who are looking to learn more about money, investing, and business, and you may have some who are just looking for a little bit of financial advice. Take a look here. There's a whole section under Your Money, Personal Finance that's dedicated to wealth management, budgeting, savings, and credit cards. There's also a section dedicated to consumer expert reviews on the best credit cards, student loans, personal loans, savings accounts, etc. Now, besides all the free resources, it would be in your best interest to check out the section all about financial planning. Some of the things that you should try out on your own include what is a financial plan, your annual financial planning checklist, how to conduct a financial checkup. In addition to personal finance and subject, Investopedia also gives you plenty of info on what's going on with the economy and what's affecting your personal finances. Remember, the more you know about this industry, the better off you'll be. And remember also, knowing is half the battle. Yeah, I used that joke earlier before. I really don't care. Drop me a like. Number 5. Our fifth and final stop of the day is NerdWallet. Over at NerdWallet, their goal is to help consumers compare and find the smartest financial products out there to help them achieve their goals. All the information is free, and they have 80 experts there to help simplify even the most complicated money topics. They also have side-by-side comparisons, smart calculators, simulators, so that way you're making the best option. You'll also be able to receive personal insights based on your spending habits, credit scores, and current accounts, and they'll also provide you with information as to how you can improve your credit score. Now, if you ever need more information on financial topics, make sure to check out the guide section on credit cards, credit scores and debt solutions, travel, spending and saving, and small business. Also, make sure to check out some of the tools they offer, such as debt consolidation and debt payoff calculations, student personal auto loan calculators, budget calculators and worksheet, and saving goals calculator. The point is that there are so many free resources on NerdWallet, so what are you waiting for? Like, go check that stuff out, man. Come on, Bill, do it. Yeah, you, Bill, I'm talking to you. Bill. Look, I've said it a bunch of times, I'm going to keep on saying it. You need to make sure that you know about this stuff. The last thing you want to be doing is make a decision based on the fact that you just didn't know about it. Make sure to go check out these sites. Most of them are free, and so you have nothing to lose. If you have any more questions, check out our Facebook group. Videos up here. We have a podcast. We have an email newsletter, and text credit to the number that's appearing on your screen right now and get a free 15-minute consultation with one of our people at the Credit Agents. I'm Adam with the Credit Agents, and I hope you have a fantabulous day.